Hey there, and welcome back to the Festival Kitchen. I'm Lauren. This is Jenny. We're two of Festival's mealtime mentors, and today we're super excited to be working with an awesome company. We're working with Rooster and Lark to bring you a recipe for veggie breakfast tacos.
That's right, Lauren. I love these Rooster and Lark skillets because they make breakfast super easy. They contain all the veggies you need to make like an omelet or a scramble, and everything is pre-cut and pre-seasoned. And the best part, there's no salt added.
I love that, and they're really easy, as you mentioned. So we're gonna get started. Today we're working with this variety, which is the Rocky Mountain skillet. So it's got a blend of sweet potatoes, kale, onion, bell peppers, and then some really amazing herbs as well. So we're just gonna add in a little bit of olive oil to our pan, which is nice and hot, and then going to add in this entire skillet. And I love, you can see all the herbs. There's rosemary, thyme.
Oh, it smells so good already.
So good. So what I'm gonna do is just saute this until all the veggies are cooked through. So about 3 to 5 minutes.
And while you're working on that, I'm gonna go ahead and get our eggs whisked up. So we've got 8 eggs in here. Just gonna give it a quick whisk. And I really like these skillets because they are vegan. This variety is vegan.
Yes.
And so if you follow a vegan diet, you could certainly use tofu instead of eggs.
That would be really good.
I'm a big
We
fan
like
of
tofu, yeah.
All right.
So we need to let these cook through, so we're gonna wait to add the eggs until this is all warm over here. All right, it smells amazing in here, for one, but this looks really good, so we can add in our eggs.
All right. Yeah, I can take this.
Sure.
Good.
All right. Add these in. And what we're gonna do here is just cook the eggs until they're set, which will take a couple minutes, so we can get started on really getting this stuff ready for our tacos.
Yes. All right, so I'm going to warm up our tortillas. We just have some corn tortillas and we wrapped it in some damp Viva paper towel. It'll take about 15, 20, maybe 30 seconds.
Yes, just until they're nice and warm. And while Jenny is doing that, I'm going to keep an eye on our eggs over here, but I am going to slice up our avocado. So what we're going to do is just cut around it. You can just follow it all the way around the long way.
Looks perfect on the outside.
It does.
Oh,
yay, we got
perfect
a
on the
pretty
inside.
one. You never really know until you get in there. So we're just going to use half of the avocado today. Let's get this out of here so you guys can see this. But we're just going to score it and then score it the other way. So we're making little cubes because we're dicing it up for this recipe today. So I'm just going to scoop it out right onto our cutting board here.
Yum.
This off. Yep. So we're just going to make sure that all our eggs are cooked through here, but it looks really, really nice.
It does. And I don't think we mentioned this, but you can find these Rooster and Lark skillets in the natural department.
Oh, yes.
In the freezers.
Yes, freezer section. All right, this looks really good now. I think we are
Give these
good to go. All right, so I'm going to turn this off. Scoop up a little, oops, in each taco here. It smells so good.
It does. Scoop it down. I'm going to top this with salsa.
Get some of the avocado on here.
Always.
Avocado and eggs just go together.
I think avocado goes with everything.
That's a really good point. It does.
Swap with you.
Thank you. Awesome.
I love the color from the sweet potato too.
Yes, we have lots of fun colors going on here, and I think the feta is going to be really great with it too. Give these a try.
Yeah.
I love all the fresh herbs. They just have so much flavor.
Yes. And it's not overly salty, which I feel like sometimes frozen food can get that way. So this is absolutely perfect.
Yes. Well, pick up a Rooster and Lark skillet and give this recipe a try.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.